Soil health enhancement. Leafy greens contribute to soil health and fertility. They help improve soil structure, increase organic matter content, and enhance nutrient cycling. Through their root systems, leafy greens can also break up compacted soil, allowing for better water infiltration and root development of other plant species. Urban agriculture. Leafy greens are well suited for urban agriculture due to their compact size and fast growth. Vertical gardens, rooftop farms, and community plots can be utilized to cultivate leafy greens in urban areas, promoting local food production, reducing food miles, and fostering a connection. Carbon sequestration. Leafy greens play a role in carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate climate change. During photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store carbon in their plant tissues and the soil. By promoting the cultivation of leafy greens and adopting sustainable land management practices, we can enhance carbon sequestration potential. Natural pest control. Certain leafy greens, such as companion plants or trap crops, can act as natural pest control agents. They can attract beneficial insects that prey on pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Incorporating these plants in agricultural systems promotes ecological balance and reduces environmental impacts associated with pesticide use. Green roof benefits. Leafy greens are often included in green roof designs for their numerous benefits. They help insulate buildings, reduce energy consumption, mitigate stormwater runoff, and create habitats for birds and insects. Green roofs with leafy greens contribute to urban biodiversity and improve the overall environmental performance of buildings. Nutrient cycling. Leafy greens contribute to nutrient cycling in ecosystems. As they take up nutrients from the soil, they incorporate them into their tissues. When the plants decompose or are consumed by organisms, the nutrients are released back into the soil, making them available for other plants and supporting a healthy nutrient cycle. Water retention. The presence of leafy greens in soil helps improve its water-holding capacity. Their root systems create channels that allow water to penetrate and be retained in the soil, reducing runoff and promoting water infiltration. This can help mitigate the effects of drought and contribute to more efficient water use in agricultural systems. Aesthetics and well-being. Leafy greens add beauty and aesthetic value to our surroundings, whether it's a well-maintained garden or a natural landscape. The presence of greenery has been linked to improved mental health, stress reduction, and enhanced well-being. Incorporating leafy greens in urban environments or creating green spaces can contribute to more livable and enjoyable communities. Ecotourism and recreation. Leafy green landscapes can attract ecotourism and outdoor recreational activities. People are drawn to areas with lush vegetation, such as forests, parks, and nature reserves, to engage in activities like hiking, birdwatching, or nature photography. Promoting the preservation and conservation of leafy greens can create opportunities for ecotourism and support local economies. Climate adaptation. Leafy greens have the potential to contribute to climate adaptation efforts. Certain species are more resilient to extreme weather conditions, such as heat waves or heavy rainfall, and can be used in ecosystem restoration projects to enhance the ability of ecosystems. Green infrastructure. Leafy greens are integral to the development of green infrastructure. They can be used in the design of green roofs, green walls, and rain gardens to enhance stormwater management, reduce urban heat island effects, and improve overall urban resilience. By incorporating leafy greens into urban planning, we can create more sustainable and environmentally friendly cities. Cultural significance. Leafy greens have cultural significance in various cuisines and traditional practices around the world. They are essential ingredients in many traditional dishes and represent cultural identity and culinary heritage. Preserving and promoting the cultivation of leafy greens helps maintain cultural diversity and strengthens connections to our roots and heritage. Educational opportunities. Leafy greens provide valuable educational opportunities, particularly for children. School gardens and community programs that focus on growing leafy greens can teach students about nutrition, agriculture, and environmental stewardship. Hands-on experiences with leafy greens foster a deeper understanding of the importance of sustainable food systems and ecological balance.